Hello students, in last lecture we have seen how to take input in Excel file using this program. Okay, where we have taken name 1, email 1, branch 1 from the for the first student. Then if branch is IT, then MDM1 is data science, otherwise MDM1 is CAD if branch is mechanical, else MDM1 is other. So we are taking here 4 variable: name 1, email 1, branch 1, and MDM. And MDM is decided with the value of branch 1. If branch equal to IT, MDM is data science. If branch equal to MDM, branch is mechanical, MDM is CAD, otherwise MDM is other. So we have done this program for one student. Same program we have done for second students, name 2, email 2, branch 2. Same logic we have repeated. And afterwards we have created the panda frame, this PD. What is this PD? We have installed the library import pandas from PD. So PD is the object of library panda. Okay, with the help of PD we create a data frame. This is DF, data frame. Create a data frame with the input data for both students, and here we have written name, email, branch, MDM. So this is the name, email, branch, MDM. Can you see this name, email, branch, MDM? These are the column names in my Excel file. Name, email, branch, MDM are the column names. What are the column value for name? It's name 1, name 2. For name, you can use just check it. Raj 1, Priya 2 are the name column. Same for email, you can check here. For email, email 1, email 2. For branch, branch 1, branch 2. This is the branch 1, branch 2. And for MDM, other. Okay, as branch is IT1 and mechanical, here branch is IT and I have entered IT1, that's why here other is there. And branch I have entered is mechanical, all are capital, that's why this condition not matched because Python is case sensitive, that's why my branch is other. Don't get confused. So once I create the data frame here, that object is stored in DF dictionary, and here DF to Excel, data frame to Excel. This is the pandas function which created student record XLS file and data has been written. So you can check this record here. Okay, you can check this record here, student record. Okay, XLS. So in this way we have created this. Now we have to write the same code, but here we are taking input for 2 students. What if we have 3 students, 4 students, 5 students, n students? So this is the program where we will take input from user. How many students are there? We'll repeat the loop. So for that I have already written the code. This is the another code. Okay, this is the code which is accepting the list. This is the list function, list, list. What is the list? Just I have executed the code so that we can save our time here. We can check this list here. Here I have created the code for list. Just check it. This is the list array of name, NAME, name is there. For I in range 2, range 2 means there are 2 students, 0, 1, value of I is 0, value of I is 1. Just I enlarge it. Name equal to input, enter name students I plus 1. When I is 0, I get 1. When I is 1, I get 2. When I run the code, I get the same, enter the name of the student 1, AA, enter name of student 2, BB. Okay, so in this way I have printed value of name here in the array, and I need to write name.append I. So what I do, I just execute the same syntax in front of you so that you get the confidence. Just a minute, I just show it with the help of live example, then you write it. So just check this function. This is the program for range function. For I in range 3, print I. Okay, range 3, 0, 1, 2. So value of I initially is 0, and next is 1, next is 2. So I am using this range function here. So what I do here, I take here n1 equal to input and I assign this sorry. So what I do, control V, and here I write here name, I write here name1 or n1, and here name.append. Append is the function of list n1. Okay, n1, press enter, and just I enter syntax multiple statement found while compounding single statement. Okay. So what I need to do, again I write the same syntax here for name equal to dictionary. Okay, for I in range 2 colon, enter, n1 equal to input. Okay, enter student name, bracket close, and here I write name dot append in bracket en1. That's it. Okay, enter student name Balaji. This is enter first student name. This is first student, suppose Sham. This is the second student Sham. Now what happened, name got appended. If I write here name 0, I should get Balaji. If I write name 1, I should get Sham. And if I write print in bracket name, I should get both. Balaji and Sham. So can you understood this simple program? This name is the array, blank array, for I in range 2. Okay, for 2 students I am taking the input. Here I am taking the input in n1 variable. So initially n1 is Balaji when I is 0. When I is 1, n1 becomes Sham. So when I is 0, at that time name 0 becomes Balaji, name 1 becomes Sham, and when I print here name 0, I got Balaji. When I print name 1, I got Sham, and when I print name, I got both Balaji and Sham. So this is simple example how to create the list dynamically, how to print the list. Okay, so this is simple example. I hope this example is clear. In next video, I will tell you how to write the same program, the previous program using list, and how to write this output in Excel file. Thank you.